If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? Replace a panel from 60 or fuses to 100 is about $1,000. And we have electricians that I can have that can help you do that. It's not a huge expense. When you see fuses are little circular things that are glass and they will not pass FHA. We talk about things that don't pass FHA, fuses, no chance, no way, no how. What would you throw out there at a buyer that's like, hey, I need to replace this panel, I need FHA, seller's not giving me $1, what do I do? The one thing I would do is I would say, okay, fine, here's the answer. We're gonna get my electrician in, he's gonna put the new panel and he's gonna get paid at the closing. Second way, you don't know anyone, hey, we're gonna have the buyer's gonna do it. We're gonna suck up the risk of doing it and potentially not closing, but we're gonna do the panel ourselves prior to. So don't let things die because there's always solutions, right? There's solutions to these problems. So that's an easy solution to an issue that a seller won't fix.